wenglor sensors and image processing technologies are used in all industries worldwide. But their reliability, performance, and quality promise are not only demonstrated in the smart factories of our customers. After all, wenglor products are used in almost every division of wenglor itself, because trust begins right here. wenglor uses sensors for roller conveyor systems, reflex sensors, and barcode line scanners to control and monitor the conveyor lines, which are several hundred meters long, in a fully automated small parts warehouse. Thanks to their special design, the sensors for roller conveyor systems can be installed between two rollers and are thus optimally protected against mechanical damage. Thanks to integrated accumulation logic, they prevent parcels or containers from colliding. In addition, the sensors electrically or pneumatically control the space occupancy of the almost 60,000 goods containers within the conveyor lines. The retro-reflex sensors and the barcode line scanners can detect and identify the goods containers. Networked via Ethernet switches, the system knows the location of the goods at all times. By using these sensors, wenglor secures transportation within the warehouse and thus guarantees an extremely high availability of all products for all customers.